Who's got the cables from the white truck?
I got them. Where do you want the generator?
Put it by the south stake. Back it up, back it up.
Okay, hold it right there. Bring the truck in.
All right, move that dirt to sector 4.
Copy that, heading over now.
Watch the alignment on trench 2.
All right, swing it over this way. Watch the trench on your left. Set it down easy right there. Hook is off. Bring it down slow. Hold it steady. I'm tying the corner. Okay, pull that brace tighter. Coming up 1/2 inch on the south side. Hold it right there. Impact wrench ready.
Make sure the utility sleeves are secure. Torque down the anchor bolts on this section.
A little higher now. Easy, easy. Got it. Swinging it over now.
All right, bring it down slow. Watch your hands.
Lower the slab, slowly. Guide the steel beam to the right. Watch the clearance.
All right, bring it down slow. Easy, watch the edge. Hold it right there. All right, bring it down slowly. Watch the corner. Easy, easy. Hold it right there. Bring it down slowly. Watch the left side. Easy, easy. Hold it right there. Securing the corner now. All right, move that machine back.
We need to go deeper over here. Watch the edge.
Look at how the wind moves the sand down there.
Yeah, it's incredible. The tranquility is exactly what we needed.